Hey guys, welcome to this walkthrough for looking for keyword opportunities in Google Analytics. Now, of course, if you don't have Google Analytics set up on your website, you're not going to be able to follow along with this walkthrough, but I would highly suggest that you do get it set up. It is free and it offers great insight for your website in understanding where your visitors are coming from and get a better idea of who your visitors are and opportunities to improve it. So, again, highly recommend you going ahead and adding Google Analytics if you don't already. Now I'm going to show you some opportunities to look for when you're building your campaigns and looking for keywords to add. Now, if you already have conversion tracking set up, if you are an e-commerce site, or if you have goals set up, so if somebody, like a goal would be somebody completes a form on your website or somebody views a certain page, if you have that set up, you can use that. But for this site, it's an e-commerce website. So I'm going to show you how you would go about doing some initial research for this website. So this is the overall purchases by product. These products would be a great idea to build ad groups around. But what I'm going to do is go to Source Medium and then go to Google Organic. Now this will give me all of the sales coming from Google search engine, and if you add the secondary dimension of keyword, it will show you all of the keywords and you can sort it by sales. I'm going to do it for about 100 keywords just to give you a general idea of how you would do this, and then sort it by revenue to see which keywords are sending the most value. And then you can see all of the different keywords and you can really start to uncover some opportunities for ad groups. So for instance, there's a lot of branded terms because this is the name of this website is Beads of Cambay. But for right here, this is a good example. Moss Aquamarine Beads. There's 4 unique purchases and $204 of revenue. So maybe I want to build an ad group around that and use different variations of that keyword in that ad group. Because obviously there's people looking for this, people coming to the site and purchasing. It's almost a proof of concept because you're not just guessing that you think people will buy this on your site. Another opportunity here would be blue Peruvian opal beads. So this is actually what people searched and what they used to buy that keyword. Now if you don't have conversion tracking set up, you can just go to traffic sources, just one second, search, and then organic. And you can see all of the keywords here. Again, no e-commerce data or revenue data, but it will give you another idea of where to look for keywords and start to build some ad groups based on this. One metric that you can use that is really beneficial is pages per visit, and average duration. Those are general senses of engagement with the pages. So if people come, let's use pyrite square beads. On average, they're visiting 77 pages, and the average visit duration is 23 minutes. Now that looks like a little bit of an anomaly, so let's sort it by visits again. Now, faceted metal nugget beads, 5 pages per visit, and about a minute per visit. So not bad. That's a good visit. Maybe we'll build an ad group around that. Now, another opportunity that you can use Google Analytics for AdWords is looking for display campaigns. So if you click on the referrals tab, which is under traffic sources, you can see all of the websites that are sending traffic to your site. There's going to be a lot of social media sources here, but also you can see maybe you have links on other sites, or maybe there's a good amount of traffic coming from other sites that you can look to see if they have display ads, and you can maybe purchase them through Google AdWords or maybe go directly through them. Not everything that you do on advertising online has to be through Google AdWords. It is a tremendously great opportunity to use for display, but there are ways to do it just going directly through a website. So a good example of this might be, let's see if we can find like a blog. Good quill hunting. Not exactly sure what kind of website that is, but it doesn't sound like a social media network, and might be an opportunity because they are sending quality traffic, about 3.4 pages per visit, pretty engaged traffic. Not a ton of time on site, but again, people are coming here, they are interested in the content here, and once they're actually staying for a pretty good amount of time. So that's some of the research that you can use for your Google AdWords campaigns. There's a lot deeper dives that we can have. If we could probably have 2 full courses on Google Analytics, but I just wanted to show you some brief basic research strategies that you can use in your Google Analytics account to uncover ad group opportunities and keyword opportunities for your AdWords campaigns.